Hey guys, this is Ms. Hollis here. I'm just giving you a video today to give you an example of our PSA, which is our culminating project for Unit 4. So if you remember from yesterday when I did an overview of the entire project, we're using topics that we covered in Unit 4, such as fair use and copyright, digital footprints, confirmation bias, protecting online reputations, data tracking, risky online relationships, cyberbullying, and hate speech. So it has to be one of those topics. I have an example I've done today over anxiety just because I didn't want to create one that you might get some ideas and just copy. I don't want you to copy me. I want your ideas to be original. And you can use any software, presentation software that you want to. This is just one option and it's very easy to use, so I wanted you to see that. This is a very short example. Yours will be 1 to 3 minutes long. This is about 45 seconds, but it's just to give you a good example. I did this very quickly in Adobe Spark. Do you suffer from sleep disturbances, constant worry, fear of impending doom, muscle tension, or avoiding public places and social situations? You could be suffering from anxiety, but there is hope. You are not alone. It is okay to ask for help. Okay, so that was a very quick PSA. And again, we went over the components of a PSA in our Nearpod, our overview Nearpod. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at Adobe Spark in case this is the technology you choose to use. But again, use anything you're comfortable with. When you log into Adobe Spark, the first thing you're going to do is be given a choice of some templates. So I come over to slideshow, and you notice if you hover over slideshow, it says video kind of grayed out underneath it. That's because it lets you create a slideshow, but the end result is a video. It actually stitches your slides into a video. So remember, your PSA final product, however you decide to create it, needs to be in video form. All right, so if we click on that, let's see, it starts somewhere. So I'm going to say, let's just say anxiety again, just so we're not giving you too many ideas. All right, next. I clicked on this first one, promote an idea, just because I felt like that was most adaptable for a PSA. But you can use any or start from scratch. But it kind of uses your topic to help. All right, there is a video to help you get started if you want to watch that. All right, so it has tools here. You can just simply click to add a video, click to add text, click to add a photo, click to add an icon. And when you click on these, many times it has, Adobe itself has pictures and music and the icons for you to choose from. And if you use their stock videos, you don't have to cite those because that's it's free. It's part of their program. So I'm going to say an icon, and I'm going to look for anxiety. So I can just pick one, whatever looks good to me to start out with. Then the next one, it says what is the problem that you're dealing with? And again, I'm gonna go with a photo for anxiety and just pick one that stands out to me. And I want to do text this time. Anxiety is bad. You can get help. And I'm just being a little silly here, but it's just very quick to show you how easy it is to manipulate this. So I'm not going to take the time to do all the slides, but as you click on each one, it's the same options, okay? So also, if you notice, there is a microphone at the bottom in red, which always says record, right? Red is record. So I'm going to click on one of my slides and I can add my voice. I can record my voice to each slide, and then Adobe will stitch it together to make a video. So let's say the first slide, I'm going to say, do you have anxiety? And I can preview it. Do you have anxiety? And it sounds like there's some music already there. I want to go over, I can look at the music. You can change the theme if you want to different colors. You can resize it. You can add music. Rolled up sleeves. It sounds like a good one. You click on it, and then if you want to choose that, you click on it again and it does the check mark and it will add it to all of your slides. So then the next one, hold that down. I'm going to record. Do you feel trapped? And I can keep going. The very last slide is your citation slide. Now, you don't have to use all of these slides. You can right click and delete them if you don't need all of them. But the last slide is your credits. Remember, you need to practice digital citizenship and list everything that you cite. So if you get information from anywhere, cite it here. If you use pictures that you found on the internet, cite the websites where you found those. If you used your own music or music from somewhere else, then you need to cite that here. If you used it from Adobe, just their stock stuff, then you don't have to worry about that. So then let's go click back on the first slide and let me just show you how easy this is. That's not the first slide. Oops. And you can move them around if you want. So we're going to click preview. Do you have anxiety? Hold that down. I'm going to record. Do you feel trapped? So it keeps going through that last slide because I didn't delete all of them. So it's that easy, guys. This Adobe Spark is so easy. Again, you don't have to use this, but it is an excellent source for a PSA. Then you can download it and upload that video to like YouTube or share it with me on Canvas, or you can click share and share it with a video link to me, or it will also share to Google Docs. So lots of options here. It's so quick and so easy. I do want you to get creative with it. Look at your rubric. Make sure that you're meeting all of the aspects that are listed in the rubric. All right. Have a great day. I can't wait to see your PSAs.